Jim Kilpatrick, Senior Ranger for North Denbighshire. North Denbighshire as an area covers from Rhyl to Prestatyn and all the way south to Rhuddlan. So within that area we manage 47 countryside sites, of which this Rhuddlan Nature Reserve is one of them. We're lucky enough to be the time of year where we lay hedges. We put a lot of effort in this site to create a good network of hedgerows when we first planted it. That's roughly 9 years ago, and now the hedges are of a size and stature to lay. Laying a hedgerow is so beneficial for biodiversity, means that the hedgerow is actually growing from the very base, and it creates a thick, dense habitat from the base of the hedge all the way up. It's a traditional method of stock keeping. It was used before wire fencing. Nowadays it's done mainly for biodiversity benefit. It's also really good on a farming capacity for shelter for livestock. Well, we're laying a clwyd style hedge. Traditionally, different counties and areas of the UK had hedging according to what their livestock needs were. So in this area, predominantly a sheep farming community, so we lay quite a low down hedge. We keep brash both sides, but a little bit cleaner on one side. And we actually angle the stakes. That's because historically, when they were for stock keeping, if sheep went up to a hedge, they'd try and enter the field from underneath, and therefore we angle the stakes to try and keep it all bound together. So it's all relevant to the historical use of the land in terms of farming.
My name's Steve Fenner. I do quite a bit of volunteering with the guys now, probably at least 3 days a week, sometimes more, and at least 1 day a week. This is one of the things that I really do enjoy. It's one of those things that I'd always wanted to have a go at. So when the opportunity came along, it was probably about 4 years ago now, over in Prestatyn we did some hedge laying, and I love it. Yeah, so whenever the guys are doing hedge laying, I'm there. I think all of this, getting out, working with other people, making new friends, it's brilliant.
Hedging is one of the most popular tasks we do with volunteers. I mean, we've got 3 groups working today. Some volunteers become really good at it, so we started a volunteer hedge laying competition, which is coming in December. But yeah, really beneficial for volunteers to see the growth afterwards and to get involved with practical hedgerow management. Yeah.